Good morning, children. Yes, everyone are safe. Yes, ma'am. Yes. What is our fourth lesson? What is our fourth lesson? Our fourth lesson was oceans and fishing. Yes, ma'am. We have completed our fourth lesson. Now you see, ma'am. Today we are going to learn a very good lesson and very important lesson. Very important lesson. Yes, children. You know that. Yes, you know that we are. From the waste, we will recycle them and use it in many ways for decorating our houses, everything. Yes or no? Like that only. Yes. Today we are learning very important lesson. We are learning very important lesson from the waste. Not only from the waste. Yes, the things which are very useful to us. Are you? Have you know that? Yes, sir. The fruits and vegetables in which they are going to sell. Yes, they are going to sell in the baskets. They are going to sell in the baskets. Yes or no, ma? Nowadays we are using mainly plastic baskets, but before we used to have handmade baskets. We used to have handmade baskets, ma. Yes or no? Yes, children. Yes, these are all baskets with made with hand are called as not only baskets. Anything we will make with hand using some small tools. Anything which are made with hand using some small tools are called as handicrafts. Okay, ma? Handicrafts. So today our lesson is our seventh lesson, ma, that is seventh lesson. No continuation. Yes, after fourth lesson, fifth lesson, not like that. Yes, we are going for the seventh lesson. What is our seventh lesson? Handicrafts and handlooms. Yes, children. What is our seventh lesson? Handicrafts and handlooms. Yes, ma'am. Know the spellings. Handicrafts and handlooms. Today first part we are learning, that is handicrafts. First part we are learning, that is handicrafts. What do you mean by handicraft? Very easy. Which is made with the hands using small tools. Using small tools. Yes or no? From the waste, you see papers. With the papers we will make some small paper basket like that. We will make or not? Yes, with the water bottles we will make using small tools. That is called as handicrafts. That is called as handicrafts. Yes, here you see. Handicraft is a type of craft. Handicraft is a type of craft where people make things using their hands or basic tools. Understood, ma'am? Yes. Handicraft is a type of craft where people make things using their hands or basic tools. Okay, children. Yes, what are the examples? Yes, you can name some handicrafts which you know. Yes. What are the raw materials used in basket making? Yes. Do you know how the baskets are sold? Do you know how the baskets are made? All these things we are going to learn in this lesson. For all these questions, we are going to clarify the answers very clearly. Yes. Now, name some handicrafts. Basket making, wood carving, kompalli. Yes, a kompalli, this one, and Nirmal paints But in our lesson, mainly we are learning about basket making. I will show you some pictures. Yes, ma'am. Here you can see a picture. Yes, basket making. Yes, here they are buying the baskets. Some are selling the baskets. And you can see the pictures here. Yes, you can see the pictures here. Basket making. Yes, here also you can see the picture. Basket making. Okay, ma'am. Yes, how? What the raw materials used? Everything we are going to learn in this lesson. First, let us see what the handicrafts. We are in the handicrafts. What all the things we are going to learn. Okay, ma'am, this is mind mapping. All the things we are going to learn. First, we are using the local resources. And making the baskets. And using minimum tools. Very small tools we are using. And to learn this basket making, where you are going? We are going to Andugula village. Which is 60 kilometers from Hyderabad. And we are learning basket making with the hand. And what the community these people belong? Yes, sir, they are belonging to Erukula community tribal people. They are the Erukula community tribal people. Making process we are learning, selling the baskets. All these things we are going to learn. And we are, what we said, Andugula village. Andugula village, where it is? It is in Mahbub Nagar district. Andugula village is in Mahbub Nagar district in Madugula Mandal. In Madugula Mandal. Andugula is in Mahbub Nagar district in Madugula Mandal. Yes. Now to learn about the basket making, we are learning about one family, that is basket makers of Andugula. Basket makers of Andugula. Andugula is nothing but a village name. It is in Mahbub Nagar district. Yes, to learn about this, first we are going to a family. The family man, headman is Polaya. Who is he? Is Polaya. Is 35 years old. His wife name is Bhagyamma. And he had 3 children. Okay, ma. This family we are learning, and they also belongs to Erukula tribal community. Yes, this basket making, family weaving from generations. They are doing from generations. But Polaya, now he migrated. He came to Hyderabad. Why? Because in his native place in Andugula, there is no demand for the baskets. So he came to Hyderabad. There was a decline of the baskets. No demand for them. So because of that, he migrated to Hyderabad. Now where in Hyderabad is living? On the pavements of Chadargarh. He is living. Chadargarh, famous Shirdi Sai Baba temple will be there. Yes, sir, there only you can see so many families. They are making the baskets. Yes, his father and 25 families, they came to this to Hyderabad. Yes, sir, 30 years ago. They came to Hyderabad 30 years back only. They came to Hyderabad and settled in Chadargarh on the pavements. Okay, ma? This is about Polaya family. Now, how they are making the baskets? Using the spines of wild date palm, bamboo also, ma. You can say bamboo. Sometimes they will use the bamboo also. Okay, now wild Eetha Chettu palm. Eetha Chettu. In Telugu we will call it as Eetha Chettu. From where they will bring? They will bring from their village only. Okay, now this spine, this Eetha Chettu leaves. Otherwise, we will call it as spines. Okay, children, understanding? Yes. How they are going to make them? Yes. How the basket is made? Yes, they will use the spines of Eetha trees. That is wild date palm, and they will use a knife to clean the leaf. They will dry it in the sun. And they will make the basket. After making the basket, they are taking to the market to sell it. Like this, they are going to do. Okay, children. Now, I am going to tell you how they are going to sell them. Yes, children. We are going to learn how they are selling baskets. Yes, sir. Polaya, what he will do? He will go to his native place to get the Eetha palms, spines of the Eetha. His relatives will collect the spines and give to him. Every 2 months he will go. Daily he won't go. For 2 months only he will go to get the spines from his native place, that is Andugula, from Hyderabad, that is 60 kilometers away. Okay, now. So what he will get? For every 2 months he will get 10 bundles. From one bundle he will make 25 baskets. From one bundle he will make 25 baskets. And yes, sir, for 10 bundles how much it will 30 minutes. He will make one basket. I will show you. Here you can see the picture now. That's how he is making the basket. You can see the picture here and here also. That's how they are making the baskets. For 30 minutes, he will make one basket. Okay, all for selling one basket, it will cost 20 rupees. It will cost 20 rupees. One basket, 20 rupees. But now you see, if any marriages, rituals are there, we need big baskets. We need big baskets. That time he will charge more. That time he will charge more. Okay, children. Yes, and the whole family will work. Whole family will work in making the baskets. Now, for the 250 baskets, 20 rupees means how much it will cost? 5,000 rupees. How much it will cost? Into 20 rupees means it will cost around 5,000 rupees. But deduction, we have to remove the deduction expenses. What are the expenses? To buy the bundles. For buying the bundles, it will 1,200. And for transportation, it will be 100. So total after the deduction of the expenses, how much you will get? You will get 3,700 for 2 months. You will get 3,700 for 2 months. It is sufficient, ma? It is not at all sufficient. Yes, sir. How many are living in his family? You have seen. Polaya, his wife, 3 children and his father. 6 members. Yes, sir. To live, to survive. 3,700 rupees is sufficient. It is not sufficient. For that, what Polaya will do? Sorry, he will buy other things. Some trays made with the wood. Yes, sir. Some stands, some stools. Yes, and here he is going to substitute them. He is going to sell them also. With that, he will run his family. Okay, children. Now, if you see here, yes, sir. They are this family, this traditional basket making family, that is Erukula family. They are facing many challenges now. Yes, sir. In this life, they are facing many challenges. What are the challenges they are facing? Actually, what they need? They need a palm and bamboo. They require palm and bamboo. Either chettu leaves, spines and bamboo they require. But this raw material is not available. Why? Because we are using more. The forest we are doing deforestation. We are cutting more. So we are exploiting industries. What the industries are doing? They are exploiting them. They are using more in excess. They are using. Because of that, they are not getting the raw material. Nowadays, what we are doing? Instead of using the bamboo or the either chettu baskets or bamboo baskets, what we are using? We are using plastic made. Yes, sir, we are using plastic made. Yes, sir, no, ma. Mainly we are using nowadays plastic made only. Yes, now stick made, wood made, any baskets are there in our houses? It is not there. What we are using is plastic made only. Yes, sir, palm and bamboo baskets we are not at all using. Olden days they used to do, but not olden days, recent they used to. But now we are having plastic made only. Baskets. Your tiffin basket also you see. How is it? It is plastic made or not? Yes, all are plastic made only. Because of that, they are not getting the work. What is that challenge? Because deforestation of raw materials, they are not getting more raw materials, and plastic made we are using more. Because of that, they are not getting more work. Not only that, because of this, we have seen from Andugulu where they came. They came to Hyderabad. But when they came to Hyderabad, you tell me, ma, yes, as they came, they will get all the house, residence, everything properly? No, they won't get. Where they are living? They are living in the urban slum. They are migrating to the city. But they are living in the slum areas. What do you mean by slum? They are staying in the slum areas where they are not having proper electricity. No electricity will be there for them. No proper drinking water will be there. All the flies will be there. No proper drainage system. Yes, sir, flies. All very bad smell it is coming. The areas, if you see, all that area where they are not having the electricity, proper drinking water, no proper drainage system, that area is called as slum area. So this family you have seen before only. Yes, how many families they came? 25 families they came. It's very big, it will be there or not? Yes, so all are living in this slum area only. Yes, because of that, what happened? Yes, there is no safe drinking water. Because of that, what happened? They are nowadays they are not using their houses with bamboo mats. They are using the plastic bags or tarpaulin sheets. Their houses, their huts only. Yes, how they are made? With plastic bags or tarpaulin sheets. Yes, no children, you see, this where they are living? We said that they are living in the pavement. Yes or no? Yes, footpath. They are living on the footpath. So on the footpath we will get the house number, all that? No. So because of that, what they are losing? They are not having the no residential proof. They are not having the no residential proof. If they are not having the residential proof, yes sir, we will get the ration card. Why we need the ration card? Yes, if we have the white ration card with below poverty line, 6th class you have learned. If we have the ration card, we are going to get the rice and some things like sugar. And in the festival time, yes, now Deepavali festival is coming. At that time, what the government will give? They will give some sugar like that. Yes, no oil, all that they are going to give. If they have ration card, because they are not having the residential proof. Where they are living on the footpath, pavements. So they are not having the residential address proof. Because of that, they are not having the ration card. This question will have, they will ask you, yes, why Polaya is denied of ration card? Yes, sir, why Polaya is denied of ration card? Then you have to say, because he is not having the residential proof. Why he is not having the residential proof? Because he is living on the pavements. Okay, now because of that, no residential proof, no ration card, no voting card, and no right to vote also. No right to vote also. Yes, children, this is how handicraft people are facing the challenges. Yes, after doing the hard work also, they are not getting a sufficient amount to live. Yes. Now, these people of Erukula tribe using involved basket making live different parts of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. These people are living in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and they are called Erukula. Why? Why they are called as Erukula? Why they are called as Erukula? Why? Because in this community, the women will tell the fortune. Yes, sir, they will say the fortune. Sodi Japtanamma, Sodi, like that they will say, no. Because of that, they got this name Erukula tribal, Erukula community. They got the name Erukula community. Yes, Sodi Japtanamma, Erukula. People of this tribe speak Erukula language. What language they will speak? They will speak Erukula language only. They will speak Erukula language only. And in this Erukula language, what the words they are used? They use the words from Telugu, yes, Telugu, Tamil and Kannada. Telugu, Tamil and Kannada. Okay, ma'am. All the words from this languages they have taken, and their language is Erukula language. If you see, no, ma'am. See, this Polaya, who is from the Andukula village, came to Hyderabad. Here also living in the urban slum and facing many problems. Yes, ma. Today, what the lesson we have learned? We have learned about the handicrafts. Handicrafts means what? The things made with the hand using small tools is called as handicraft. And what we have learned in this lesson? Which handicraft? We have learned about basket making. And how basket making family will face the problems. Yes, after doing so long work, hard work, whole family doing hard work also, they are not getting sufficient food to eat, sufficient place. Yes, all these things they are denied. Not only that, mainly they are not having the ration card. Okay, now? Yes, go through the lesson very well. Yes, and read everything and know every point. Let's go through the lesson, and in the next lesson we are going to learn about hand looms. Okay, children, understood the lesson very well? Yes, what we have learned? We have learned about the basket making. Who is the Polaya family, and how they will make the baskets, how they are going to sell the basket, how much income they are coming, and what are the challenges they are facing, why they migrated to cities. Okay, now all that we have learned. We have learned now. Okay, then have a good day. Thank you, children.